Hello students, I am your mathematics teacher Chirag Tanna. So in this video we will move ahead in the chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry, that is of standard 10 Maths. So in this video we are going to do the topic trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles means the two angles whose sum is 90 degree. So here, what is the relation in trigonometric ratios? See, here sin 90 minus theta, that is equals to cos theta. So similarly, cos 90 minus theta, that is equals to sin theta. What is the meaning of that? That if you have the value of sin 30, that is 1 by 2. Okay, from the values of the table. So same value, that means 1 by 2, where you will get in cos 90 minus theta. Since sin the theta was 30, so here it will be 90 minus 30, so cos 60 will be 1 by 2. That means whatever the value of the sine you are getting, the same value you will get for the cos, but angle should be the 90 minus of the previous angle. So that is the complementary angles. Similarly, the sec 90 minus theta, that is equals to cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta, that is equals to sec theta. Same way, tan 90 minus theta, that is equals to cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta, that is equals to tan theta. So whatever the meaning overall, that sin 30 and cos 60 both values are same ultimately, because 30 plus 60 90, that's why. Okay, so you can verify the values of sin 30 and cos 60 from the table of the values. Okay, so similarly for any two angles, okay, the right side value, the value after the equals to will be the same if the left hand side angles are complementary. That means the sum of the both angles should be 90. Okay, so one angle suppose 35. So second angle should be 90 minus 35. That means 55. So sin 35 equals to whatever, that is equals to cos 55 also. Okay. Let's continue. Let's do some numerical. You want to find the value of this. So let's change one of them. Don't change both. Only change one of them. So, what I am doing, I am converting sine into cos. So here it will be 90 minus 18. Okay? The sine will be cos. So angle will be 90 minus 80. The denominator as it is. Minus 18, 72. Cos 72 as it is. Both cancel out. So value will be 1. See here, the second numerical. In the second numerical, you have to prove that this equals to 0. That means this whole equals to 0. So what I am doing, I have 4 values. So I will convert half of them only. That means only 2. Okay. Always you have to convert half of the values, not all values. See, sometimes you will have 5 values. So if you have 5 values, one non-values will be given. For example, tan 30. That is 1 by root 3 from the table. Okay. So if you have odd number of values, then one value will be given. Okay, so obviously it will be again even numbers, right? So always you have to convert half of the values. Here I am converting first two values. Converting cos then sine. Angle will be 90 minus 30. Again cos will sine. Angle will be 90 minus 52. This two as it is. Sine 38 and sine 52. So 90 minus 38, that is 52. 90 minus 52, that is 38. Sine 38, sine 52. So as you can see, both are equal. See, sine 52, sine 38, sine 52, sine 38. It can be interchanged. They are only in multiplication, so they can be interchanged. So ultimately these both steps are equal, so that is equals to 0, which you want. See the third one. Tan 2a equals to cot a minus 18 is given. You have to find the value of a. Of course, a is some kind of angle because it is here. That's why. Also here. So you have to find the value of a. For that, what I am doing? Tan 2a equals to cot a minus 18 given. Again I am changing one of them. Let's change tan. So it will be cot. So here 90 minus 2a. Cot a minus 18 as it is. Now here the equals to is there. Both side cot is there. So these whole angles are equal. That means 90 minus 2a equals to a minus 18. See, it's not like that cot cancel out on both sides. Cot cannot be cancelled out. Cot is not a separate thing that you should cancel it. Cot and 90 minus 2a are not in multiplication, so you can cancel both side cot. Here, what is the reason? That here equals to is given and both sides same trigonometric ratios are there. So you can compare the angles, which I am comparing to find the value of a. So here minus 18 on this side plus 18, it will be 90 plus 18, 108. Minus 2a on the right hand side plus 2a. 2 and a will be 3a. So a in the 3 in the denominator. 108 by 3. So it will be 36. So the value of the a which you want, that is 36. That means whenever in the numerical, okay, this kind of angles are given 38, 52, 18, 72. That means which are not known. The angles which are not from the table, which we have done in the previous videos. Okay, so that time you have to use trigonometry ratios of complementary angles. That means you have to use 90 minus relation. Okay, and remember this pairs. That is very important. Okay, thank you.